FRMI, stock analysis, price predictions, news. In this quick and short 1-minute video, I will show you exactly how I'm going to trade and analyze. I am the only guy in the stock trading space with an actual 48,000 video track record. And this is a bearish market, like a truly bearish one. I don't have any ill intentions towards FRMI. It's just the truth, you know what I mean? Like, we can even scale down and just even forget about that stuff. Look at this thing from here. Yeah, if there's a shift, I'm gladly looking to take it down. But like randomly buying, it's not happening. And so if you want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. And I'll most basically continue to keep you updated. But yeah, not looking that good. Performance is kind of crabby. So